Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys, you have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P0014 or code P0015. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, and in some cases you may not even need to buy any parts. We'll explain how you can fix yours, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover super helpful information today. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the engine right here, 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. Now many of you guys ask me in the comment section below to recommend which computer we use for diagnostics, so I decided to share that information with you. That one here, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of, and you can see Kia is right here. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. If you're on the market for one, check out guys the link for more information. Now we'll go ahead and open, okay, remove the upper engine cover. Just grab on each corner, it has one bushing, so 4 bushings that attach to the valve cover. Make sure they're still installed here on the upper engine cover guys. Excuse me, because if they're actually stuck on these posts, you need to manually remove them and install them on the cover before you put it together. Looking at your engine, on the front side you have the intake manifold, on the back side you have the exhaust manifold. So, you know, if you guys have any of these codes guys, you need to come to the back side of your engine. Okay, and on the back side of your engine guys, you have one solenoid, okay, right here on the exhaust camshaft. That's known as a VVT solenoid, exhaust VVT solenoid, variable timing solenoid. You have one on the front, that's the intake side. But these codes relate to this solenoid. Things to look for guys, make sure the wiring harness is not broken. Make sure guys the wiring harness, okay, is not unplugged and it's not leaking. Sometimes you may have an oil leak from the valve cover that can contaminate the connector. Remove it, inspect it, make sure that everything is good. If that doesn't fix the problem, you will need to remove it guys. With a 10mm socket, okay, you can simply remove it and we'll explain what can be wrong guys. It could be a bad solenoid, but in 9 out of 10 times you can save it and we'll explain how. So they can be stuck, but if you get pliers and you get on the metal body, not on the plastic, on the metal itself, wiggle it a little bit left and right and pull it out. We have a seal here that's tend to get stuck, okay, right here. So that's the solenoid guys. Now let's explain, okay guys, so this solenoid, they get dirty. Why? Because engine oil flows through them, they contaminate. You can see this one even got a little bit of metal shavings that I'm concerned about. But when they get dirty, they start sticking and they're not very responsive. As a result, those codes can easily be triggered. Your car may be stalling, okay, dying all of a sudden as well because of these codes. You may experience lack of power as well, sluggishness. So try to clean it. We have a video how to clean a Kia VVT solenoid on our channel World Mechanics. Check it out, it's going to teach you everything about it guys. So try to clean it, see if it fixes the problem. If not, replace it. Hopefully guys that will fix your problem. In some cases it could be something such as mechanical problem and having a bad variable timing gear, but in that case you need to remove the timing chain. We have the video how to do that and how to replace a VVT camshaft gear guys. And you need to verify that the car didn't jump the timing as well in some cases. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.